important to revitalize our cultural teachings for the next generations, because these are teachings that are passed on.
I think it's pretty important that the newer generation learns about the knowledge that was passed down from her generation to our generation.
Most of us from here are moving away for school after high school, so it's fun for them to get exposed to a lot more different activities that they could find elsewhere, as well as activities they could do here.
And they all managed to learn it, have fun with it, and it was really inspiring to see them getting comfortable with it. So I was even the one enjoying it as much as they was.
Best of both worlds, mixing our components of nature and our culture with styles from the West.
Honestly, spray painting is the best. Getting to actually press that button and paint sprays out versus a brush, it's magical.
So then what the kids will learn, they would teach their students, and then the students would teach their students. So it's kind of like it goes on and on.
I think it's a great initiative that what we're doing here, and we're starting with the kids.